Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to increase Snapchat score. So first of all, how to increase Snapchat score. To increase Snapchat score, what you have to do is simply send your friends a snap. Now what you have to do is simply send a snap. In order to send a snap, what you have to do is open the Snapchat application. Simply tap on this circle button and it will simply capture the photo. And now what you have to do is at the bottom right there is a next option. Simply tap on next, and now what you have to do is scroll down and see all the friends that you want to send snap to. Now in order to select the friends, simply tap on the username, right? Tap on the username, tap on the username, and the friends will be selected. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the plane icon at the bottom right corner. Simply tap on the airplane button and the snap will be sent. Now what you have to keep in mind is the more snaps you send, the more your snap score increases. You can send videos or photos that you take from Snapchat camera, and if you send a snap every day, they will form a streak, which means that if you send a snap every day, then the snap streak will keep on increasing. So have fun sending snaps to your friends. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.